Aha. Charcoal cacao mask. Illuminating pearl mask. Kaolin micro exfoliant. I think I have an idea. It's facial time. Out here in nature with our little, we're gonna be camping and having a facial while we're camping. Here's Kristen, she's my little subject. Kristen, what are your major concerns for the facial?
Maskne.
Maskne, yes, I know, that is a major concern. So let's utilize all our little animal products and see how we can make you feel. Here's your before. I'm gonna snap a little photo. So let's start with our little aloe herb cleanser. Deet, 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 deet. A little neroli toning mist is next. Okay, cool breeze. Gonna do some kaolin micro exfoliant on you. So we've got the charcoal mask. She's ready for the football game now. Next we have the illuminating pearl mask with pearl powder.
That feels cool.
Let's see if we can create a glow now. A little more of the neroli cooling mist, closing the eyes and waiting for a cool breeze here. Okay. Piece de resistance, anti-aging facial oil. And this smells like amazing flowers. So we're just gonna dab, dab, dab that on.
That smells so good.
Yeah, and I'm not a big flower person, but this one is like,
It smells like actual flowers.
Clean. Yeah, actual flowers, like, because all this stuff is wildcrafted anyway, so it's like, I'm laying in a field of daisies right now.